The OnePlus Open is getting a major software upgrade, and if you're in North America, the wait is finally over. After rolling out in India and Europe last month, the Android 16-based OxygenOS 16 stable update has officially begun reaching users in the US and Canada. In this video, we'll break down what's new, what's improved, and why this update matters for OnePlus's foldable flagship. The update arrives as OxygenOS 16.0.1.300 with firmware version CPH255.1/16.0.1.300 EX01. While this may sound like a routine build number, the changes underneath are far from minor. OnePlus is focusing heavily on system fluidity, polish, and visual refinement, areas that are especially critical on a foldable device like the OnePlus Open. Introducing smoother drag-and-drop animations across the home screen is one of the most noticeable improvements. Whether you're moving icons, resizing widgets, or organizing folders, everything feels more fluid and responsive, making daily navigation noticeably more satisfying. At the core of this update is OnePlus's Trinity Engine, which has received further optimization. The engine intelligently manages system resources and workload distribution to maintain consistent performance across different usage scenarios, from multitasking on the large inner display to everyday single-screen use. The result is a smoother experience with fewer frame drops and improved efficiency, especially during demanding tasks. OxygenOS 16 also brings visual upgrades to several core apps. The Photos app now features a refreshed design aimed at delivering a more immersive and visually engaging experience, particularly noticeable when viewing images on the foldable display. Meanwhile, essential apps like Clock, Calculator, and Compass have been redesigned with a cleaner layout and more modern aesthetic. These updates may seem subtle, but together they contribute to a more cohesive and polished system-wide look. Beyond what we've covered, OnePlus has shared an extensive and highly detailed changelog, outlining numerous additional tweaks, refinements, and under-the-hood improvements. While it's far too comprehensive to cover in a single video, it's clear that OxygenOS 16.0.1.300 represents a meaningful step forward for the OnePlus Open. If you want to explore every change in detail, be sure to check out the source link in the description below. And as always, stay tuned for more updates, tips, and deep dives into the latest in smartphone technology.